Start with next topic, equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. For that purpose I have taken an example where we have to give the geometrical representation of x minus 2 equal to 0 if it is treated as an equation in one variable and two variable. Similarly, we have to give the geometrical representation of y plus 3 equal to 0 if it is given as an equation in one variable and two variable. So let's start with x minus 2 equal to 0 when it is treated as a linear equation in one variable. So here we have x minus 2 equal to 0. Let's simplify this. So it becomes x equal to 0 plus 2, and finally x equal to 0 plus 2 is 2. So x equal to plus 2 is the only solution of x minus 2 equal to 0 when it is treated as a linear equation in one variable. And the same you have studied before as well, that a linear equation in single variable has single solution only. So let's plot this single solution as x equal to 2 on the number line. So that's the point where plus 2 lies. So that's the required geometrical representation of x minus 2 equal to 0 as a point. That's it. Start with second case where we have to give the geometric representation of x minus 2 equal to 0 as it is treated as an equation in two variable. So we rewrite x minus 2 equal to 0 as a linear equation in two variable like 1 into x plus 0 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Before drawing its graph, we must have its solution. For that purpose, I made x as subjective. So it is x equal to minus 2, that side becomes plus 2, and plus 0 dot y becomes minus 0 dot y. So if y we use 3, x is 2 minus 0 into 3. So 0 into 3 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2. So first solution of this linear equation in two variable is x plus 2 and y plus 3. Next value I used minus 3, for which x is 2 minus 0 into minus 3, and 0 minus 3 is 0 again, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So that second solution is x plus 2 and y minus 3. Next I used y as plus 5, for which x is 2 minus 0 into 5, and 0 into 5 is 0, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So this third solution I have x plus 2 and y plus 5. Let's plot these solution of linear equation in two variable on the Cartesian plane. So first we have 2 comma 3. So this is x plus 2 and y plus 3. That's the point A having coordinate 2 comma 3. Next is 2 comma minus 3. So x is plus 2 and y is minus 3. So that's the second point B having coordinate 2 comma minus 3. And third is 2 comma 5. So x is plus 2 and y is plus 5. So this point lies here. That's the required point C having coordinate 2 comma 5. And if we draw a pattern while joining these 3 points A, B and C, so this pattern we have as a straight line, which is in accordance with the concept that the graph of a linear equation in two variable is a straight line. So yes, that's the straight line again. But the important thing to notice is that this straight line is parallel to y-axis. Let's start with B case where we have to give the geometric representation of y plus 3 equal to 0 as it is treated an equation in one variable and two variable. So let's check its geometric representation if it is treated as a linear equation in one variable. So this time we have y plus 3 equal to 0, for which y becomes 0 plus 3, that side is minus 3, y equals to 0 minus 3 is minus 3. That's the only solution of y plus 3 equal to 0 as it is treated an equation in one variable. Let's plot this solution on number line. So minus 3 lies at that point. So that's the required geometric representation of linear equation in single variable, and this representation is a point only. That's it. Let's check the geometric representation of y plus 3 equal to 0 when it is treated as an equation in two variables. So this y plus 3 equal to 0 you may rewrite as 0 into x plus 1 into y plus 3 equal to 0. That's the required representation of y plus 3 equal to 0 in two variable. In order to draw the graph of this linear equation in two variable, we start finding its solution, for which I made y as subjective, so it is minus 3. 0 dot x on that side becomes minus 0 dot x. Let's calculate y for different values of x. As if x we take 2, so y becomes minus 3 minus 0 into 2, and 0 into 2 is 2. So minus 3 minus 0 is minus 2. So this first solution of linear equation in two variable we got x plus 2 y minus 3. Let's use next value of x. This time I used minus 2, for which y is minus 3 minus 0 into minus 2, and when 0 is multiplied to minus 2 it is 0 again, and minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. So this second solution we got x minus 2 and y minus 3. Let's use another value of x like plus 8, for which y is minus 3 minus 0 into 8. So 0 into 8 is 0 and minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. So that third solution of the equation we got x plus 8 and y minus 3. Let's plot these solution of the linear equation in two variable as some point on the Cartesian plane. So first solution is 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. It lies here. Point A having coordinate 2 comma minus 3. Next is minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus 3. It lies here. That's the point B having coordinate minus 2 comma minus 3. And third solution we have 8 comma minus 3. So x is plus 8, y is minus 3. It lies here. That's the third point C having coordinate x plus 8 and y minus 3. If we draw a pattern while joining these 3 points, so it becomes a straight line which is in accordance with the concept that the geometrical representation of a linear equation in two variable is a straight line always. And the interesting thing to observe is that this straight line is parallel to x-axis. So remember that whenever a linear equation of these form are treated as an equation in one variable, so their geometrical representation is a point only, and whenever these are treated as an equation in two variable, so their geometric representation will be a straight line as parallel to y-axis or x-axis. That's it.